Have you heard that bone broth is often called liquid gold for your joints, skin, and gut health? This natural remedy is treasured for its nourishing benefits, boosting your wellness journey. Discover how this age-old elixir can transform your health, one comforting sip at a time. Ready to explore more? For centuries, bone broth has been cherished as a remedy, revered for its benefits to joints, skin, and gut health. This nourishing elixir provides essential nutrients that promote overall wellness. Join us as we delve into the rich history and modern science that make bone broth a staple for natural healing. In today's fast-paced world, many struggle silently with joint pain, skin conditions, and gut health issues. These challenges affect not just physical well-being, but mental and emotional health too. The search for solutions can feel endless. Yet, the natural world offers remedies often overlooked, like bone broth, a time-honored elixir brimming with potential. Joint pain limits mobility and dampens our zest for life. Skin problems affect confidence, and gut health issues disrupt daily routines. Many seek natural alternatives, promising relief without side effects. Bone broth stands out as a beacon of hope. Rich in nutrients like collagen and gelatin, it supports the body's healing processes, offering a natural path to wellness. As we delve deeper into this journey, we will explore how bone broth can be a transformative ally. First, let's understand the specific ways it addresses these common health challenges. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind this nutritional powerhouse and how it can change lives. In the realm of natural remedies, bone broth stands as a nutritional powerhouse, offering collagen, gelatin, and amino acids. These components work in harmony to support your body's healing and wellness. Collagen helps maintain skin elasticity and lengthiness, while fortifying joints and connective tissue. Gelatin, derived from collagen, aids digestion by soothing the gut lining, promoting better gut health. Meanwhile, amino acids play a crucial role in repairing and rebuilding cells, enhancing overall bodily functions. What makes these nutrients remarkable is their ability to address multiple health concerns simultaneously. Whether you're dealing with joint discomfort, skin issues, or digestive troubles, bone broth provides a natural solution that targets these areas effectively. As we delve deeper into the benefits of bone broth, you'll discover how this remedy can transform your health journey. Stay tuned as we explore compelling testimonials and scientific studies that further illuminate its powerful impact. Now, we delve into the evidence supporting bone broth's benefits. Listen to these compelling testimonials that speak volumes. Individuals from all walks of life have experienced profound transformations in joint health, skin vitality, and gut function. Take Sarah, who found relief from persistent joint pain after incorporating bone broth into her routine. Her story is just one among many, highlighting the remarkable effects of this natural remedy. But personal stories aren't the only evidence. Imagine transforming your health with something as simple as a warm, nourishing cup of broth. It's more than just a trend. It's a return to time-tested wisdom supported by modern science. As we transition to our next segment, consider the possibilities for your own well-being. Discover how bone broth could be the key to unlocking health in your being. To recap, bone broth is a powerful ally for your joints, skin, and gut health. By incorporating it into your routine, you can harness its natural benefits for improved wellness. Embrace the change and consider making bone broth a staple in your diet. Stay tuned to discover more ways to enhance your health. Join the conversation and share your bone broth experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to explore our other videos on health and wellness for more insights. Together, let's continue this journey towards natural health remedies. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.